In this video, I will be teaching the asanas for stretching of the body before practicing of Odissi dance. I personally do these asanas before practicing of Odissi dance.
Tada asana, best yoga pose to increase height, improves body posture and give balance. Bhujang asana stretches muscles in shoulders, chest and in abdominal, increase flexibility in lower back. Ushtrasana reduces fat on thighs, stretches and strengthens the shoulders and back. Adho Mukha Dandasana stretch back, abdomen, leg, hip muscles and leg muscles. Reduce back pain. Then we come in chalk position. This gives strength in the thigh muscles. Chakra asana stretches arms, hand, spine and buttocks. Vriksha asana improves balance and stability in legs.
If you like this video, hit the like button, comment and share.